Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to WASSCE CRS year 2018 past question. Question number 30 says, according to Amos, the day of the Lord for the Jews will be a day of dash. A. Light. B. Famine. C. Darkness. D. Success. The correct option here is option C, which is darkness. So the figurative expression of the day of the Lord represents darkness in the book of Amos. So we find the story or this expression or quotation in the book of Amos chapter 5 verse 18. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.